Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by prepping the wall and mixing the adhesive correctly. Remove loose paint and dust so the paste bonds. A damp wall reduces suction, so make sure it is dry. Measure the adhesive per the manufacturer's ratio, often 1 part paste to 3 parts water, because correct dilution controls open time and tack. Whisk in a clean bucket until smooth, then let the mix rest 5 to 10 minutes. This hydrates the powder and prevents lumps when you apply. Once the paste is ready, you apply it and hang the paper. Roll or brush paste evenly over the wall or wallpaper backing as instructed. Consistent coverage ensures uniform adhesion and avoids bubbling. Position the first strip plumb using a level so repeats line up, then press and smooth from the center outward to force out air and excess paste. Make sure to maintain a wet edge for the next strip, but seams tightly or match pattern, and trim excess with a sharp blade for a clean edge. To finish, you clean and inspect for issues. Wipe paste residues promptly with a damp sponge so they don't dry into the surface, and let the wallpaper dry per instructions, often 24 to 48 hours, because full bond develops during this time. After drying, check seams and edges. If you see lifting, reapply a little paste behind the seam and use a seam roller to secure it. If bubbles appear, lightly slit and inject paste under the flap, then press and smooth so the repair blends seamlessly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.